Trying to get rid of toenail fungus by cleaning them is like trying to get rid of weeds by cutting just the tips. They not only grow back, but they multiply and become harder to manage. Toenail fungus is no different. Until the fungus is stopped at its roots, it can keep growing and spreading to other toenails. But what if it could be stopped? Just how we pull out roots of weeds, we can do the same with toenail fungus. I call it the on-off switch. It works like this. When the body is acidic, typically around the 5.0 to 6.0 pH range, toenail fungus is switched on. It needs an acidic and dark environment to live and thrive. Worst part is that it often can't be turned off by cleaning the toenail. It's protected from the elements and topical cleaning solutions. This is why toenail fungus can't be scrubbed away. The toenail shields the fungus. Even if someone scrubs hard and cleans the nail, the fungus may eventually come back and devour the nail again, all because the body is acidic. But when the body's acidity drops just enough, the fungus can be shut off. Fungus can't live in an alkaline environment. When the body is alkaline, fungus goes away and a new healthy pink toenail can grow in its place. This is precisely why we created Fungus Clear, because the large majority of people with toenail fungus often have bad gut bacteria, which can make the body acidic. Fungus Clear contains a specific set of 7 fungus-fighting probiotics. They help transform the bad gut bacteria into good gut bacteria, and the body becomes more alkaline naturally. Most folks with toenail fungus often need to improve their alkalinity just a bit. This is why I recommend Fungus Clear over scrubbing toenails with topicals. Topicals don't address the root cause, which for most folks is acidity. But don't just take my word for it. Hear what others are saying about it.
I came across your formula. After just 2 weeks, the toes are very definitely clearing.
Not only has it helped my fungus, but I'm noticing a vast improvement all over.
She's only about a month in, but she says that her feet feel so much better.
Well, the results have been incredible so far.
After taking this product, I have seen an incredible difference. One toenail is back to the normal pinkish color, and there has been a noticeable difference in the other one.
She's in a lot less pain, and for the first time in years, she can finally wear pretty shoes.
The worst toe is now the best toe.
After only 2 weeks using Fungus Clear, my toenails have significantly improved.
My nail is now halfway clear with a new nail forming.
When I started using Fungus Clear, the yellow color started fading away within weeks. I would say that I'm 75% better in just a little over 30 days.
It made a marvelous difference, not only in my toe, but in my life, because I didn't have that ugly black toenail to have to look at every day.
My toenails are better, no more itchy ears, my skin irritation has reduced significantly.
The calluses are gone. Feels like a miracle.
This stuff works.
I will definitely be referring this to friends and family as well.
So I went ahead and ordered some more because I want to continue to get the value.
I would recommend it to anyone.
To make this an absolute no-brainer, each purchase is also covered by a 180-day, 100% money-back guarantee. It works like this. Begin using Fungus Clear now. If, for any reason, it doesn't clear up the feet, hands, nails, and skin of fungus, we will provide a full refund. Simply email or call our US-based customer service team 24/7, and we will immediately refund the purchase. No questions asked. The best part is, you don't even need to send the bottles back. It's a 100% risk-free investment. Tap the button below and grab yours.